Hey guys, what's up? It's me again, and I'm about to film the ACA p50 in Desoto, Texas. It's 1:45 right now. I watched the Whammy p50 video of it going off. It set off at 1:45. It's probably going to go off at 2 today. But I'm going to go ahead and get out here just in case if it starts to go off. I'll pause the video so you guys can see me film it. But yeah, it's going to be pretty exciting. My first time. That was the best siren recording I've ever done. I'm gonna put the camera back on the car. That was awesome. The p50 is one of the most distinct sirens you can ever get. Let's go take some pictures of it. I hope y'all enjoyed. Thanks for watching.